Here we have been given a differential equation x log x dy by dx plus y is equals to 2 log x. So here I will first try to convert into a standard linear differential equation. So let us divide by x log x on both the side. So it will become dy by dx plus 1 upon x log x into y is equals to 2 by x, because this log x and this log x will get cancelled. So you can see I have converted the differential equation into a standard linear differential equation. So value of p is equals to the coefficient of y, which is p is equals to 1 upon x log x, and value of q is 2 by x. Okay. Now the integrating factor will be e raised to the power integral of p dx. Put the value of p, e raised to the power integral 1 upon x log x into dx. So we don't have any direct formula for this integration, that is 1 upon x log x. So we will go for some substitution. So let us assume log x is equals to t. Okay, here t is the new variable. Differentiate both the side. 1 by x dx is equals to dt. So here we have a term 1 by x dx. So I will replace it by t. So it will become integrating factor is equals to e raised to the power integral 1 by t dt. Okay. Here value of dt is equals to 1 by x dx. Okay, 1 by x dx is equals to dt. And log x is equals to t. So I have replaced t here. Now we know integral of 1 upon t is equals to log t. So it will become e raised to the power log t. By the property of log, we have integrating factor is equals to t. Now again substitute the value of t. Value of t is log x. So integrating factor is equals to log x. Okay. Now we will go for the solution. Now the solution of differential equation is given by dependent variable into integrating factor. Here dependent variable is y is equals to integration of q into integrating factor. Put all the values, y into log x. Okay, integrating factor is log x is equals to q value is 2 by x. Okay, q value is 2 by x into log x. That is integrating factor. Now we need to integrate 2 by x into log x. We cannot directly integrate this expression because we don't have any direct formula for this integration. So I will go for the substitution. Okay. So I will assume log x is equals to z. Z is the new variable. So differentiate both the side. You will get 1 by x dx is equals to dz. Now you can see here is also one term 1 upon x into dx. So I will replace it by dz. Okay. So I will get integration of 2z into dz. Okay. How? In place of log x, I have replaced with z. Okay, so it comes z. This is 2. The here is also 2z. And 1 upon x dx is equals to dz. Now the integration of 2z is equals to z is square plus constant of integration c. Now again we will have to substitute the value of z, that is log x. So replace log x, because we have to represent the solution in terms of x and y, not z. Okay. In place of z, I will replace it by log x. So it becomes log x square plus c. So divide log x on both the side, you will get y is equals to log x plus c by log x. Okay. So this is the solution of the given differential equation. Okay.